Hi, welcome. I'm going to do a quick and fun sketch of a mountain landscape. So if you'd like, you can go ahead and draw along with me. Let's get started. So I'm going to start by just drawing in a basic sketch of this mountain, kind of a silhouette. So there are all these layers within the mountains. There's a mountain in the back and more layers of mountains as they come forward into the foreground. Now I'm going to start doing a little bit of shading. So I'm going to turn my pencil onto the side and push down. And I'll push down harder if I want really dark shadows. So starting over here, I'm going to draw in some of these rocks. I'm leaving the paper, the bright areas, paper white, and those areas are actually the snow. So what I'm actually drawing in are these craggy black and gray rocks peeking out of the snow. So another really great thing to do is to make my shadows follow the same contours as the lines of my mountains. So if my mountain dips down like that, I can make my shadows dip down like that. It helps add structure and helps define the shapes of those mountains just a little bit better. So here's a really nice dark shadow here on the side of this peak. And then as the foreground gets closer to us here, these areas are going to be darker. So I'm going to darken these areas in quite a bit. And this hill here is really pretty dark also. And now as I'm darkening in these areas, you can really start to see the layers of the mountain coming through. So you're starting to get more sense of depth, more sense of three-dimensionality. Add one more little peak right there to the mountain. Add a few shadows in on it. And a few more craggy rocks peeking out behind here. And off in the distance, this area is going to be really light. That's even another mountain that we're seeing kind of off in the distance beyond. Following the contour of these mountain shapes. And just a few last little details. All right. So that here is our finished mountain landscape. I hope you had a great time practicing. Thanks for watching.